This is a October 2013 variant 33 question number 10, and we have to make a first of all y subject because he said find y coordinates and only possible when we have to make a y subject. So there's a differential equation. How we can start? Step number one: separation of variables. Some students do mistake in separation of variables. I'm going to show you. Get ready. So 3y square dy, this dx will multiply there. It will become 4 times 2. Please don't multiply 4 inside. I have seen some students, they multiply inside, then they get an issue and they don't know how to continue. Because my target is a y subject, so I can bring this whole in denominator. So 3y square, you can ask me, so what's the reason? How you know this only bring in denominator? Whereas other 4 and even I can bring if I bring 4 also with that outside like this, no issue at all. Answer will not affect. But I'm leaving this reason because you know the formula here. We have a one formula. If function in denominator, its derivative in the numerator, and the power of the function is 1. Then what is answer? Logarithm of function is our answer. And this eliminates automatically. So same rule, function in denominator, its derivative available. How come? What is differentiation of 1 becomes 0? What about this? 3 comes down, power 1 less into dy. You can see this matching. Or in leave dy, this is matching. Okay, so it means I think you have got the point. That is why if you multiply 4 inside, it will create trouble for us. So that is why I'm not multiplying. And now separate first rule is done. Rule number 1, separation of variables. Rule number 2, integration. So when I integrate left side, students, it will become this kind of form. And right side, I'm going to do it same story. But do you know, students, we have a special formula of cos square. If you remember, we have two formulas, cos 2x. One formula is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 sine square x, and this half angle will come here. Okay, second formula is in format of cos. So that is 2 cos square x. So half angle will come here. So this formula will help us. You can see this cos square x is matching. Reason, you can ask yourself why you are doing so. Because I have integration of cos available, but cos square not available integration directly. So it means I will use this formula. I will use this formula to convert it. Hold on. So how convert it? Try to make a subject. Okay. So how we can make a subject? This one will go here. It will add, and this two will divide. In short story, you can memorize this also. So I'm putting in a box. So this formula, according to plan, you can see this a cos square matching. Okay. All right, so this whole thing I'm copying in the place of here. So I'm writing here 1 plus, okay, wait a minute, students. Okay, so I'm going to place it here. 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. And I believe up till here, you're not getting any issue. So let's start. I will simplify furthermore. So y cube plus 1 and 3y square dy. Then here I can simplify. This is 2 cancel, this 2 I can bring outside. Inside I get a 1 plus cos double x dx. And what is integration of this function down, derivative up? This rule implements. So I can say logarithm of y cube plus 1. What is integration of 1 become x? What is integral of cos sine double x divided by 2 and plus c? So, and I can take one more step. So this 2 multiply inside, I get 2x, and this 2 will cancel with that 2. Now I think so I can complete it. And this data I did not use x0, y2. I'm using here x0, y2. So put x0, y2. Okay, I'm putting y2. So when I'm putting y2 here, 2 cube 8 plus 1, 9. I get a logarithm of 9. When I plug in 0, 0 here, gone. So c become, so this value I'm going to plug in 1. So I'm saying put in 1. So when I'm putting this whole thing, this here, it will turn to be this format. So logarithm of y cube plus 1 equals to 2x and plus sine double x and plus ln 9. Okay, now I think because he was asking to convert it y coordinate, but first of all, he asking stationary coordinate A and B, and we have to find the y coordinates of A and B. All right, so I can stop even here, okay, or I can make a y subject, okay. So this log available, this log available. I have two options. Either I can stop here and or I can continue furthermore. Okay, I'm going to tell the hardest part. Easy part is you can stop here, but look at here. I discussed many times like a six. We can write six into one, and one we can write ln e, and six will go in the power of e. So it means six is can be written in this format. So it means k, you can write ln e to power k. So what about these two? I can write it. How come? Log of e to power 2x plus sine 2x and plus ln 9. And here I have ln y cube plus 1. You see, the whole thing be behaving like a 6, or the whole thing behaving like a k. And you got a ln e to power k. I hope so, got it. And now I will, there's a plus sign. You know, this whole value and this 9 will multiply. And I get what? 9 e to power 2x plus sine double x, because a plus means multiply. So I can write it now here y cube plus 1. So this is a ln cancel out y cube plus 1 9 e to power 2x plus sine double x. Now one can go there and take a cube root. So 9 e to power. This I have done it sometimes. Sometimes he can ask you give me exact form. So exact form. So this is my exact form, and I believe you got a point very, very clear. And now I can continue the next part. And next part, what is saying that stationary points. For stationary point, I will not waste my time to differentiate this and get put derivative 0. Why not I can plug in derivative directly 0 here. Here directly 0. So I think I should take this whole equation. This question is a little complicated, and I'm going to do what? So have a look here. I'm going to what? Paste. And as I bring it down, and according to the plan, I will put derivative equals to 0. Hold on, hold on. Okay. I'm going to put what here? Put derivative equals to 0. Why? You know it very well, because stationary point. So 0, 4 times to y cube plus 1 cos squared x. Okay, I have two options. What I'm doing, this is option number 1, but I have another option as well available. Okay, but I think this is a better option. So either 4 will go down, finish, either y cube plus 1 equal to 0, because this equal to 0, one option, or this equal to 0, second option. So let's see which is possibility. So here y cube is equals to minus 1, and y become negative 1, cube root give you minus 1. And here cos x equal to 0. Where is cos 0, students? You know it. Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Because cos pi by 2, if you check in radian, give you 0. And cos 3 pi by 2 giving you also 0. So that is why I got two answers, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. And that he was asking. So one of them is A, well, second one is B. So this is not possible. Why not possible this one? Come back to question. So y is negative 1. Well, hold on. Y is not, y is equal to negative 1. So for example, if I take a negative 1 here, so this is become negative 1 plus 1, 0, this become full 0, and derivative becomes 0, okay? And I cannot get any value, so that is why I will say this cannot be 0. Now I need to find out, because one of them is A, other is called a B. I will plug in both values one by one here. Hold on. I will plug in here and I will get my answer. So get ready. So I am typing if x is equal to pi by 2. I'm typing if x is equal to 3 pi by 2. But where I'm going to plug in, get ready, students. And I'm going to, wait a minute. I'm going to select this whole equation. Yeah. And copy it from here and bring it down. Okay, now check. This is the one part. Same I'm doing it here. So second part. So student, let's start now how we can do it. And please use your calculator in radian mode. It's a very, very important thing. Okay, let's start in a radian mode. So I will convert my calculator in radian mode. Okay, now I'm going to plug in pi by 2. So students, so this pi by 2 you plug in here and here. So I tell you, pi by 2 plug in here. This 2 will cancel with this 2 pi, sine pi is 0. So this gone, this gone. So it means y is equals to cube root 9 times to e to power 2x minus 1. This is a one answer. I will get it. Let me join type now. Or 3 by 2, when I put it here, same story. I'll get a cube root and 9 e to power 2x and minus 1. And I'm going to, hold on. I'm going to put, just a minute, please. This is coming same answer. Why same? Hold on. If I plug in, this is 0. Yeah, it's coming 0 for the both answers. Hold on. Cos 0 is pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. No mistake at all. Okay. And because I should get different answers. Hold on. They are coming same. Anyway, let me type first of all in calculator. So cube root of 9 times 2 exponential to power is 2x, 2 and x. Sorry, x is what, student? Yeah, there's a mistake. I have done it. And I'm going to plug in this here. That is why it's coming different. When I plug in pi by 2 here, I'll get only pi. So this is only pi. Alhamdulillah. And when I plug in pi by 2 here, so I get what here, student? 3 pi. I'll get here 3 pi over. So I think the point is very, very clear now. And I'm going to type in my calculator. So first answer I'm getting is 5.91. So 1 dp he's asking, I have done it. Second answer I'm typing in my calculator and I'll check it. Hold on, I check it. 3 pi. Yeah, the answer is coming 48.1. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe the concept is very, very clear.